Listen. In the last class, we have seen the actual loss of the forest is estimated to be 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. So, next page. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by the United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. So, during those years, United Nations, UNO, conducted a survey or conducted a study, aerial study through satellites and aerial photography. That means a detailed research was done about the earth, its environment. After that, it warned the countries. It gave a warning to the countries. Warns that the environment has deteriorated. Deteriorate means go down. Level goes down. Quality goes down. That is deterioration. Deteriorated. The environment had gone down so badly. The health is deteriorated so badly. The health conditions deteriorated. Before the corona, he was 80 kilos. Now, after this 1.5 year room study, Aparna, what is your weight? Before room study, when she was in the school, she was 80 kilo. Now you are 24 kilo. Sanjana, how many kilos you have? 24 kilo.
41.
41 kilo. You have to increase, before coming to the school, you have to increase 7 kilo more. 48. So, you see, many have deteriorated their health because many have become mentally mad. Sanam is praying. At the earliest, I want to reach the school. Am I right? I am fed up, isn't it? Yeah, he wants to reach the school at the earliest. So, because sitting at home continuously, even we do not get time to go to the barber shop even, isn't it? Barber shop is very nearby. We don't get the time to go to the beauty parlor to cut the hair, to trim it, to you cut or boy cut or something. We are fed up. In this way, people cut the trees. People dig the soil. People exploited the natural resources more than they wanted, without keeping for the coming generation. The health of the earth, that is environment. The health of the environment has deteriorated so badly that it is in ICU. It is in ICU, critical unit. ICU. Intensive care unit. When your health is in critical stage, you will be kept in ICU. So earth is in a critical stage. Earth is going to be sent to the ICU in many of the 88 countries. UNO investigated the health condition of 88 countries and its land and forest. Among the majority of the countries were in bad health. And UNO warned them, if you don't take care of the earth, we are going to face a critical situation, global warming, diseases, unhealthy situation of human beings, unexpected diseases. Many will attack the man. It was a warning by UNO. There can be no doubt, there is no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting. Distort means disfigure. So growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. UNO told one of the important factor of the deterioration of the environment of earth. You see, one of the factors of the deteriorating condition of the earth or the environment of earth is increasing population. Now it is more than 700 crores. 700 crores. The earth is kept in water, isn't it? Am I right? Earth is surrounded by water. And earth has a this is my imagination. Don't go for scientific studies. Earth is surrounded water. All around sea is there. Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, all are there, isn't it? Indian Ocean, everything is there. So earth is kept in water. You take a football, fill it with air, and take a bucket full of water and keep the ball into the water. What will happen? The ball will float, isn't it? And if you press, what will happen? Ball will sink. Ball will sink. So when the earth is created and kept into the water, its weight was very less. Only two people. Only two people. The firstborn people. So earth was enjoying. Before the man, there was trees. Clear now? There were trees before the man. Earth was filled with the trees. Aparna, earth has a lot of hair, isn't it? Lot of hair. The branches of trees. Branches of trees. When the number of human beings increased on the top of the earth, when the population increased enormously, what happened? All these human beings were standing on the earth. Weight was increasing. The earth was going down, or the water was coming up. The earth began to cry. My dear parents, my dear human beings, I cannot carry you. I am unable to carry you. My lifting power is 10 lakh tons. 10 lakh ton. Now the weight is 100 lakh tons. I can't. My health getting deteriorated. That is the difference between you and myself. I told at home there was a football team, 2 basketball team. Now you cannot play shuttle even, isn't it? If you want to play shuttle, you have to borrow somebody from the neighborhood. We did not have any problem. We ourselves will tell, let us go for play. The ground will be filled with 10, 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 10. We will play football. 5 team. Do you follow my thoughts? UNO told at that time, population is increasing. Population is increasing. So the world government tried to decrease population. Once I read in some news in America, people, ladies are not permitted to give birth to children. Their eggs and semen will be kept in freezer. And after 10 years or 20 years, if they want to have children, at that time they will carry it like a test tube. In various ways, this I read in some media or some news, I think some years ago. In various ways, the world population is going up, and governments are trying to curtail the population. You see, the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. It took mankind more than 1 million years. 1 million means 10 lakh. 1 million means 10 lakh. 10 lakh years to reach the first billion. 1 billion means 100 crore. So, world population reached 100 crore. You see the calculation, 100 crore with 10 lakhs years. Applied mathematics students can make the calculation. And I may keep one compulsory question for applied mathematics students. So, that was the world population around the year 1800. By the year 1800, the world population was 100 crores. And by the year 1900, after 100 years, a second billion was added. You see, with 1 million years, world population was 100 crores, 1 billion. Thereafter, with 100 years, it has become 2 billion. Very good multiplication, isn't it? With 100 years is equal to 10 lakh years. Do you understand the mathematics, Anish? The result of 100 years is equal to the result of 10 lakh years. Very good, very good, very good. Then let us see now. And the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion. You see the increase? Every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 million. You make your calculation. Don't go for the exact calculation. Remember the change. With 300 years, 200 years, the world population has become 700 crores. 700 crores. Can you imagine how can this poor earth carry them? It will be able to carry. No, you don't worry. You don't worry. You don't worry. Okay. If you become worried, what will happen? You will not love the forthcoming children. Because of you, I am singing. Because of you, my earth is singing. No, no, no. As many people come to the earth, so many people, I will send them out. Clear that? Clear. As many people come to the earth, so many people, I will send them out. So balance will be there. No disbalance. So try not to be kicked out. Try not to be kicked out, to be in the team. Sometimes some players will be kicked out, isn't it? Sanam, some players will be kicked out. So let not you be kicked out. So fertility falls as incomes rise. Education spread. This is another theory. Fertility falls, birth rate decreases. Here fertility we can termed as birth rate decreases as income rate rises. In Malayalam, panam koodumba makkal korayum. Adana. When money is more, makkal will be less. That is the meaning. Clear now? Fertility decreases when income rises. When education spreads and health improves. What is understanding, Abhirame? When education increases, when health increases, when income increases, birth rate will be less. Is it right? I don't understand the meaning of that sentence. Can anyone tell me? When education increases, when income increases, when health increases, birth rate decreases. Can you give me, Krishayanti, can you give me some suggestions, opinion about this? Krishayanti says, sir, I am not able to explain, digest this one. Can anyone? Any good opinion? Kevin, can you think about? No, you see.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, as education goes, because they can control the birth, because they'll be aware of all the diseases that spread, be aware of more contraceptive methods.
Very good. So Kevin says a good opinion. When education increases, people will be aware about the diseases. This kind of corona, all these kind of Nipah, all these kind of things. And the difficulties of increased population, so they would control the birth rate. That is not the reason. The reason is that if you are educated or if you have income more, what will happen? You will study more. Suppose if you don't have money, will you come here in the school? First question. Clear? So if you have money, you will go for higher education. Clear now? Second step. If you go for higher education, what is your motive, Abhilash? If you want to become, suppose if you want to become an IITN, if you want to become a famous doctor, what is your first purpose?
Sir, to get into a college that provides the course for those.
After you will get a higher, better college to study. From there, you are becoming a superstar student with a good result. Next, what will be your purpose? Let us prove. Get a very remunerative job. Am I right? With a great salary, isn't it? Great salary. If you want great salary, you have to work. If you want to work, you need health. You need health. So what happens is that if there is money, income, that man will try for better income. He will educate himself in high quality. After spending that much money on education, his first motive is to earn money through job. He will not have much worry about the family. Clear now? He will not have much worry about the family. Family connections will be lost. His mind will be totally with his job, earning money. This may take him away from the family. So family relationship will be lost. Birth rate will be less. In the early years, people have no job. They were at home. They were living in the family. Family relationships were very, very deep. That helped to increase fertility. Clear now? So education, income, and health have a negative impact on the population. People have no time. People have no time. That is the problem of the modern age. Nobody has time. All are busy with. All are busy with. So that is the meaning of that. Fertility falls as incomes rise, education spreads, and health improves. Thus, development is the best contraceptive. So, development in the society, let the man become rich. That itself is a natural method of birth control. Automatically, birth will be controlled. If you have more money, people will be behind money, not family. So it is a natural method of birth control. The rest we will see in the next class.